In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch account in Zoom. If you use more than one Zoom account, maybe for work, school or personal meetings, it's important to know how to move between them quickly without getting confused. The good news is that Zoom makes this process fairly simple once you know where to look. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer and make sure you're already signed in. Once you're on the main Zoom screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon there. This is the area where Zoom keeps your account settings and sign-in options. So go ahead and click on that profile icon. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several account-related options. In that menu, look for the option that says Switch Account or Add Account. Depending on the version of Zoom you're using, you may see one or both of these choices. If you want to move directly to another account that has already been used on this device, the Switch Account option is usually the one you'll choose. If you want to sign in with a different account that hasn't been added yet, then Add Account is the better option. Once you click the appropriate option, Zoom will show you the available accounts or take you to the sign-in screen. At this point, select the account you want to use. After you do that, Zoom will switch you over to that account so you can continue with the correct profile, meetings, settings, and schedule. A helpful tip here is to double check which account you're currently using before joining or scheduling a meeting. That can help you avoid joining with the wrong name, the wrong calendar, or the wrong permissions. This is especially useful if one account is for professional use and another is for personal use. And that's all it takes to switch accounts in Zoom. Click the profile icon in the upper right corner, choose Switch Account or Add Account, and then select the account you want to use. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Zoom accounts more smoothly.